So students, welcome to Shri Sit Vidyapit School. I hope you're all doing good and staying safe from this COVID-19. So students, today we will be doing the question and answers of the chapter Legend in Sports. In this chapter, we read about the sports personalities. So let's begin the question and answers. Right below the chapter on page number 89, reading comprehension, match the columns are solutions are given here. Please do it yourself. We will move on to next question. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. The children enjoyed listening to her experiences and anecdotes about sports personalities. Who are the children? The children are Ritu and Nitin. Whose experiences did the children enjoy listening to? The children enjoyed listening to the experiences of their aunt Anika. Why did she have anecdotes to share with the children? She had many anecdotes about sports personalities to share with the children because she herself was a table tennis player and the sports person in the family. Second, initially her parents didn't know about her training. Who is the speaker of these lines? Aunt Anika is the speaker of these lines. Who is her in this line? Her in the line is Mary Kom. What did the person being referred to not want her parents to know? The person referred to did not want her parents to know that she was getting coached by Narjit Singh to be a boxer. Next one. Answer these questions. How do we know that Dhyan Chand struggled to achieve his dream? We know that Dhyan Chand struggled to be a hockey player because he would work during the day and practice at night after waiting for the moon to come up. What was his contribution to Indian hockey? Dhyan Chand was a part of the Indian team for the Amsterdam Summer Olympics of 1928 in which India beat the Netherlands 3-0 in the final games of hockey. He scored two of those 3 goals. He was considered the wizard of hockey and was part of the team when India won the gold in the Los Angeles Summer Olympics in 1932. And with Dhyan Chand as the captain, the country won the gold in the 1936 Berlin Olympics. His birthday is celebrated as the National Sports Day. Who is Mary Kom? How did she think of taking up boxing? Mary Kom is a queen of boxing who is lovingly called Magnificent Mary. She was the first Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in the Asian Games in 2014 in Incheon, South Korea, and won the gold again in Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia in 2018. She was inspired by the Manipuri boxer Dinku Singh, who won the gold medal at the Bangkok Asian Games in 1998 to take up boxing. Mary Kom did not want her parents to worry. Explain. Mary Kom did not want her parents to worry as she thought they would be anxious about her taking up a sport that could lead to serious injuries. So she did not tell them about her being coached to be a boxer. Write a note on Mary Kom's achievements in the field of sports. Mary Kom won the AIBA Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship 5 times, 5 gold medals and 1 silver medal in the Asian Women's Boxing Championships between 2003 and 2017, a gold medal at the 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam and many other titles. She was the first Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in the Asian Games in 2014 in Incheon, South Korea, and proved her medal again by winning the gold in the Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia in 2018. She was honoured with the Arjuna Award in 2003 and the Padma Shri in 2006, Padma Bhushan in 2013 and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009. What do you know about PV Sindhu's early life? PV Sindhu hails from Andhra Pradesh. Her parents were volleyball players and her father was honoured with the Arjuna Award for excellence in the sport. She started playing badminton from the age of 8. She was profoundly inspired by Leela Gopichand's victory in the All England Open Badminton Championships in 2001. What was PV Sindhu the first to achieve? She was the first Indian to have created history by winning medals for 2 consecutive years at the World Badminton Championships. Next one. Think and answer. What common qualities do you find in these 3 iconic sports persons? Discuss your thoughts in class. All the 3 iconic sports persons have the qualities of perseverance, discipline and determination. They knew what their goal in life was and they worked hard to achieve it. Despite the hardships they had to endure, they worked selflessly to accomplish what they desired, and they played not only to attain success but also to put their country on the world map of sports. So students, here is the solutions and question and answers of the chapter Legend in Sports. Kindly note it in your class note copy, learn it by heart it. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask me. I'm going to clean it out in the next video. Until then, thank you.